y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254, man, and we are on the way to go pick up some more shit that we don't need. Let's go.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254, man. Hopefully the audio is good, man. I just did like a series of fucking junkyard videos that didn't have no fucking sound, and then I just had to put some music and send them bitches. Now I remember why I don't like fucking with that GoPro, and it is what it is. Maybe I should have used a different camera. Or did a sound check beforehand, whatever needed to be done or whatever, but it's all good. Junkyard farm videos, y'all make sure y'all still watch them. You just don't have to listen to me rambling on and shit about cars that I found in the junkyard. It'll definitely make you watch more, because you don't have to pay attention, and then y'all just drop y'all comments on what y'all see or don't see, whatever. Anyway, let me put this fucking seatbelt on. Buckle up for safety, or because fucking shit is annoying, whichever one. So yeah, like I was saying, we are headed to pick up some shit that we do not need. Buddy of mine was like, yeah. Actually, it's Pierre's cousin-in-law, or whatever. Anyway, Pierre's cousin-in-law, was like, yo, man, I got this thing you might be interested in. And I was like, yeah, I mean, maybe I will. So we're finna go check it out. But actually, technically, I already said yes. But we're finna go check it out, and then yeah, tell you when we get there.
Bitch!
Why are you being so vulgar?
Oh, sorry.
Kids watch the YouTube channel.
Yeah, he's got a point.
Now you should feel very bad. Kamehameha. Kamehameha. But don't pay him no mind. Let me show y'all what we got. Yeah. Looky there. We have a bear block. You may think, what are we gonna do with this bear block? Well, children, the possibilities are endless. Y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned. Like she missed a gear or something. I'm trying to shift. Yeah, we're gonna take this little baby and get it bathed eventually. And cause you know we still gotta finish the colors by Christmas, but got a nice block to build upon. Y'all see it right there, 4853. But when we're done with it, it won't be either. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got our box of suspension parts. If you look closely, you will see that a couple parts are missing. Upper and lower ball joints are missing, and that is because, well, that's not because of this, but since we over here, and I'll show it to you, we doing new springs in the front and the rear. These are the rear ones. Part number CC621. Those are the variable rate springs or whatever. And then you got the front springs. Part number SP08250. That's front and rear springs. We're also going to do, being that I took them ball joints back, what I have decided to do is Let me see if I can find some keys so I can show you. Alright, so we're gonna walk out here to the truck. Show you what we got for that. Boom. Got part number 9CB50034. And part number 9CB50033. So 33 and 34. These are the lower control arms. So what I decided that since we're not gonna invest heavily off into, you know, coilovers and all that shit, we at least should get her back riding back the way she was in her original glory. So upper and lower control arms with those bushings. Some people may or may not know. You know what I'm saying? There are bushings that go off into the control arms. And I mean, in over 35, 36 years, them shits can, you know, wear out. So I all knew everything. I don't know that I'm finna get ready to do the front end like today or tomorrow or the next day or any of that, but I know it has not been done, you know, recently. So what I'm gonna do is spray some PB Blaster on everything that's gonna need to be removed. That way when we do, it should come off like butter, baby. And let's be honest, who likes fighting with bolts? I know I don't. I know I don't. So we'll hit all the bolts. Let that sit. Like I said, it ain't even finna be the day that we finna move with this, but when we do, it should be that much easier to do. And of course, you got your control arm bolts on the frame. Control arm bolt right there. Yeah, I can't even see them bushes in there. What I do know is them bitches probably been in there for 35, 36 years. That's what I do know. So, shoe. Let's just give them a little bit of help lubing up. Alright, so now that we got that all lubed up with this PB Blaster, man, let's go and get a cold start in. Yes, sir. So, baby started up, tuned up, warmed up, and running up to operating temp. Stole 5 210s, something like that. So we're finna spin a couple corners, come back, get these springs swapped out. I do notice a little bit of shake, like I feel it. It's shaking, I don't know where it's coming from. Like, I feel like it may be coming more from the tire or something. It don't feel like a real suspension car unless it's that tire rod that we identify for sure to be bad. But overall, man, it's really not a lot. Does a little bit of dipping. Does a little bit of dipping and shit on turns, you know, like I said, and that's why we're doing the springs in the rear as well as some other things. So it's just a matter of getting it done. Yeah, man, let's get it back to the house, get it jacked up, and get the springs replaced. Alright, y'all, we got the heavy Chevy hyped up. 6-ton jack stands, not the broken ones that don't extend. These extend, but I mean, that's really all I need to do what I'm gonna do. Get these springs installed. Also, while we up under there, those drain hoses that we ran for the rear. Some of that rubbing, I think that we was hearing, could have been coming from those drain hoses. So while we are down there, we just key to open the trunk. Hose is running down from there to make sure that it's, you know, good where it's needed to be, covered up, and then we'll just come up under here, lead, see how much, like that's a lot, so if we just trim it very close up in there, then we'll be good to go. Springs, and then we'll see if it's still doing the same shit it was doing before. Alright, so as you can see, we got spring outs actually being supported. Let me show you what we got here. Old spring, new spring tings. I think the ones on the left are constant rate, where the one on the left, the old one, is like a constant rate. This one is like the new shit, variable rate. It's probably gonna ride a whole lot different, y'all. I'm just saying. Cause we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4 between the whole thing. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Damn, that's 6 on that one. So but you get a little bit more, you know, a little Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, definitely one more coil on this one, which will help it sit the way it's supposed to sit. Hopefully it don't have my shit sitting crazy, but we'll see. We'll see. All right, so let me show you what we got here. New springs. New springs and new shocks. And new shock isolators. They was missing all together on the bottom. The top ones look kind of worn. So they're in there now. So I wonder how much different that Chevy gonna sit. I guess only time will tell. Let's find out. Let's get her down here and see how that ass ain't gonna sit. I should have did like a better before and after, but I just thought about it. I just care if it ride better. Stance doesn't really matter. The way that motherfucker ride means everything. Alright, so I'm gonna set the camera over here so y'all will be the first ones to see how she sits once we sit her back down. Y'all gonna see it before me. Kind of jealous. Alright. Oh, that's a difference. That's a hell of a difference. That's like some I can put some 6s. That's some I can put some 6s difference. Yeah, damn. I can't wait to see what them front springs do. Tune in for the next one. Gone.